How to fix Facebook videos lagging on your Android phone. So if you're trying to play a video on Facebook and it's either lagging or stuttering, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. So the first thing we're going to do is just go and load up the settings on your phone. You could then scroll down this page and click on apps. Now scroll down again until you see Facebook and click on it from the list. Over in the bottom right hand side, click on the Force Stop button and then scroll down and click on Storage. Click on Clear Cache in the bottom right hand side and then click on Clear Data in the bottom left and go and press OK. Once you've done that, you can head back over to the Facebook app. You may need to sign back into your account and you can check to see if the lagging issue is now fixed. If it's not working, then go and open up the Play Store on your device. You can then click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, scroll down and click on Manage Apps and Device. You'll then see this option called Updates Available. Go and click on this and this will show you any outdated software. If you see Facebook in the list of outdated apps, then just make sure to go and update it, as this can also cause issues with videos not playing. Now once you've done all of this, you can go and load back up Facebook and go and sign into your Facebook account. Once you're signed in, click on the menu bar in the top right hand side. Scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. You could then scroll down and click on Media. If you have this set to optimized, you can try using the data saver instead. This may slightly reduce the video quality, but this will go and improve the performance. Make sure autoplay is set to mobile data and Wi-Fi. You could then go and restart the Facebook app, and that should have solved any video issues.